Hey guys, Czar here. Good morning to you. Happy Monday, Manic Monday that is, September 8th. It's 9:29, 1 minute to the open here in New York. Hope you had an amazing weekend. This is the daily frame, guys. The three sisters, NASDAQ, S&P, and Dow. You can see that we have inside days on all three sisters after those wide-ranging candles on Friday. Big day on Friday. Big down day and started to pull back a little bit higher, and we almost closed unchanged here on the NASDAQ on Friday. But now we have bullish bodies on these inside days. We'll see how we do from here. Of course, I'm going to be very patient here on Manic Monday. There's the Friday action. This is Asia from Friday, right? Europe. And then New York here, pushing down, grinding our way back up in the afternoon. And then we had a strong open here, guys, last night, Sunday night, on Australia right here, and then been grinding sideways in this narrow range ever since through Asia and through London. Try to push up here just in the pre-market and now pulled back into range. We do have a little bit of clean traffic up above here, guys, on the NASDAQ. The S&P is a very similar looking picture, except overall we have all-time highs just above this clean traffic range right here from Friday, right? And so we might make a run for that. Who knows? Or maybe we'll stay chopping sideways here like we often do or sometimes do on Mondays, or pull down. We'll see. Anything goes here, of course, on Mondays. It's the start of a new week. No big news catalysts planned, at least here on the open, but we shall see where we go. Oh, looks like we're pushing up already. I'll bring you back after we get that 1 minute open range, guys. And there's the 1 minute open range, guys. On the NASDAQ, we are looking at 29 points or so, call it 30 points, shall we? And then on the S&P, 6.25 points. A little bit of a divergence here, guys. Two white candles here, two blue candles over here. Nothing major, of course, it's only the first couple of minutes. Over on my 1 minute chart here, guys, you can see I have the Asian open range and the London open range. This is the Globex open. I don't often show this, but since we pushed up so strongly last night, Sunday night, from the Globex open, the open of Australia, I thought I would leave that in there because it could be a meaningful level, especially since Friday's Globex and Asian opens are right here at about the same level, stacked just a little bit higher. Nothing for me to do here, guys. I'm going to be super patient. Still inside the open ranges here, guys, on both sisters. Just for the record, I'm going to let a lot of candles print here before even thinking about taking a trade. I always let Monday play out a little bit longer than other days. We do have this clean traffic here, guys, above. Very tempting given that we have this clean traffic range up here. About a 75-point range. Nothing to do here, guys. Very weak now on the S&P. I want to see these align before even considering anything here today on Monday. We tagged the lows of the session here on the S&P, guys. Very lackluster, typical Manic Monday picture going here. At this point, my dynamic open range would expand to include that wick down there and this high right here. I'm going to delete these open ranges now, guys, to keep things nice and clean. As long as we are inside of this area, I'll put you on pause and I'll bring you back. Very lackluster picture here, guys. Expand my open range just a tad to include that wick for now. I may just keep expanding this thing all the way up if it keeps going. We'll see how we do here. And the S&P again, guys, pulling back, staying within the open range. Nothing for me to do here. New lows on the S&P and NASDAQ dropping as well. And new lows on the S&P and back inside, or just tag the open range here again on the NASDAQ, guys. So theoretically, I would expand my dynamic open range to include all this, but it's already 20 after 10, and so rapidly running out of time here for any prospects of optimal, compelling setups given the mess that we're seeing here. I certainly won't be shorting the NASDAQ here this morning, guys, no matter what happens. And I won't be going long into that range. And I won't be going long without participation of the S&P. So I think it's safe to end it here, guys, saying this will be a no trade Manic Monday for me. If something magical shows up, obviously I will come back, but it's highly unlikely. Thanks for being here. Hope you have a wonderful afternoon, and I will see you tomorrow for Twisted Tuesday. Talk soon.